Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the Grow a Garden to Seed Restock timer extensions in less than a minute. So first, just open the Discord server, the Grow a Garden Discord server, and then next just click this link, the latest link. But don't worry, I will also leave the link in the description so you can find it easily. And then just click the links, and once you're there like this, just choose the browser that you want to use on here. You can choose Chrome, Edge, Brave, Opera, or maybe Firefox. But in here I want to use the Chrome. If you want to use the Chrome, just simply tap add to Chrome, this one. And then in here just click the add to Chrome on here like this, and then just tap on it, add extensions. And then in here you can just use these extensions. You can pin the extension so it will show on the toolbar, and then in here you can see your extensions are ready to go. And now let me quickly show you why this extension is so useful. It will give you a live seed shop restock countdown like this, so you will always know exactly when the next restock is coming. And you can also enable watch seeds alerts, so just tap the bell icon on here on the rare seeds that you want to buy in the next restocks, and the extensions will notify you the moment that seeds become available, even if the pop-up is closed. Usually you will get the notifications on your screen automatically. And there's also a handy toolbar page that shows how many of your watch seeds are currently in stocks, or you can just switch it to display a live countdown timer like this. You can just settings the toolbar page like this, for example like this. If you choose countdown only, it will show the countdown like this. And if you want to keep the timer visible while playing, you can just pin this panel right next to your game. Just tap on open asset sidebar and it will stay like this. And these extensions can also notify you about new updates, and then special events or redeemable codes for a Grow a Garden too. And best of all, there's no login required and no personal data is collected. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!